We are going to make a landscape today. A landscape is a picture of outside. When you make a landscape, you could show things that are close, near you, and far away. This is called space in art. Not outer space, but the space between you and the furthest thing in the painting. This picture shows here, the biggest tree is closest to us. Near are medium sized, they're in the middle. And far are the smallest. They're highest on the page and they're the furthest away. Let's make here, near, and far trees on our winter landscapes. Let's see what we need. What you need today is white paper and a piece of green paper. If you don't have the green paper, just take another white paper and color it green. We're going to turn this white paper into our background. First step, what we're going to do is we're going to draw the hills of the snow. You're going to use a black crayon and you're going to do like a rainbow line stretched out from one side to the middle. And then you're going to do another rainbow line from your rainbow line off to the side. And then a last rainbow line from one rainbow to the other. This is the closest, this is the middle, and that's the back. Then what we're going to do is we're going to do blue sky down to the horizon. Remember, sky doesn't just come across the top like this. Sky comes all the way down until it meets the ground. So in this case, the ground is the white snow. After you do your background paper, it's time to make your trees. And you're going to use the green paper to make your trees. Our trees are going to be like pine trees, and they're just going to be triangles. You need one big triangle about the size of your hand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up the hill and then back down the hill and a line across to make my triangle. Then we need two medium-sized triangles, a little bit smaller than this. I'm going to go up the hill, down the hill, a medium triangle, and again up the hill, down the hill, a medium triangle. And then I want three small triangles, so even smaller than this. Up the hill, down the hill, a small triangle. Up the hill, down the hill, a small triangle. Up the hill, down the hill, a small triangle. And I want these to be even more green, and I'm going to just go up and down, adding a tree-like texture to color them in. I'm coloring in steps, going up and down. I'm going to speed it up, and I'm just going to color all of my triangles. I want to make sure they're all the way colored in, nice and neat. After I color them all in, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them. Remember, you're safe with scissors. If you're walking with them, you point them down. Two fingers go in the big hole, the thumb goes in the little hole, and you open shut. Bring your paper to you. The triangle has three sides. 1, 2, 3. And that's our big tree. And then our two medium trees. All of our triangles have three sides. A three-sided shape is called a triangle. I'm cutting them out and I'm making sure I have one big tree, two medium trees, and three little trees. Now I'm getting ready to place them on my background. Remember, here, near, and far. So now we have a large, medium, and small trees. And when you look outside, things that are closest to you appear the biggest. So our big tree is going to be in the front and near the bottom. Our medium trees are going to be in the middle, and our small trees are going to be in the back at the top of the horizon line, higher on the page. Then what you're going to do is you're going to turn over your paper and you're just going to go around the outside, nice neat gluing and a wiggle in the middle, and put your biggest tree lowest on the page. Then you're gonna do the same thing with your medium trees. And they go in the middle. And then your little trees go at the top of the page. Make sure they're touching the white snow. But they're so small because they're farthest away. Now you have a winter landscape. And once you're done, you're gonna sign your name like an artist. Now it's your turn to work. I can't wait to see what you made.